Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect TradingView with Binance so you can easily analyze charts and trade directly from the platform. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open the TradingView website or app on your device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you're on the home page, open any chart you want to trade. After the chart loads, look at the bottom panel of the screen. Here, you will see an option called Trading Panel. Tap on Trading Panel, and you will see different broker options available. Now, scroll through the list and find Binance. Once you see Binance, simply click on the Connect button next to it. After that, a login window will appear. Here, you need to sign in to your Binance account using your email and password. Complete the verification if it asks for it. Once you log in successfully, your Binance account will be connected to TradingView. Now you can view your balance, place trades, and manage orders directly from the TradingView chart interface, which makes trading much easier and faster. And that's it. That's how you can easily connect TradingView with Binance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.